Chapter 1. Intro. Hello everybody, and thanks for joining me for another video. As summer approaches and temperatures begin to rise, keeping your home cool and refreshing can become a challenge. Opening windows can help, but sometimes you need something a little more effective than a gentle breeze to keep the air moving. Today, we're taking a look at the DREO TurboPoly Fan 765S. A smart circulation fan packed with features designed to distribute airflow throughout your entire room. This isn't just another fan that oscillates from side to side. DREO claims it can deliver powerful long-range airflow, intelligently adapt to changing temperatures, and integrate seamlessly with your smart home for convenient hands-free control. On paper, it appears to offer an appealing combination of comfort, convenience, and modern technology. But how well does it actually perform in everyday use? There is only one way to find out, so let's put it to the test. Chapter 2. Disclaimer. Before we get started, a quick note about this review. DREO kindly provided the TurboPoly Smart Fan 765S for review purposes. However, they had no input into the content of this video, and all opinions expressed here are entirely my own. Chapter 3. Unboxing. Since the box is quite large, I decided to unpack everything first and give you a quick look at what comes with the fan. Here is everything you'll find inside: user guide, product information leaflet, fan head, 2 sections of the fan column, table stand, fan base with thumb screw, remote control with its holder, 2 AAA batteries for the remote control, and power adapter. That is the full package. Everything you need to get started. Chapter 4. Assembly. Assembling the DREO TurboPoly Smart Fan 765S is a very straightforward process, so I won't be showing the assembly process here. Just follow the instructions in the user manual. The fan offers 2 different height configurations: a shorter version for desktop or table use, or a taller version for floor placement. The whole process is quick, simple, and should only take a few minutes to complete. Chapter 5. Smart features. With the fan fully assembled, it is time to explore the smart features. In this video, I won't be demonstrating how to add the DREO TurboPoly Fan to the mobile app or how to integrate it with Amazon Alexa or Home Assistant, as I've already covered these steps in detail in my previous DREO reviews. Since the setup process is identical across all DREO smart devices, there's no need to repeat it here. If you need help with the setup, please refer to Chapter 5 in my previous review of the DREO 318S Smart Portable AC Unit, where I walk through the entire process step by step. You can click the link in the top right corner now, or find it later in the description below. The DREO app gives you full control over the fan, including operating modes, fan speed, oscillation, timers, and schedules. The DREO TurboPoly Fan also supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control it with simple voice commands for even greater convenience. Alexa, turn off air circulator.
Okay.
In addition, This device can also be integrated with Home Assistant, opening up even more possibilities for custom automations and advanced smart home workflows. With the smart side covered, it is time to move on and see how the fan handles everyday use. Chapter 6. Matter. This was quite a surprise, and a very welcome one. I knew Matter support was coming, but I definitely wasn't expecting it to arrive during my review. But it did. A brand new firmware update for the fan, adding full Matter support. So, I updated the firmware, and for the first time I can now demonstrate how to integrate a DREO device with Home Assistant and Amazon Alexa using Matter. First, open the TurboPoly Fan in the DREO mobile app. Go to Settings, and tap Connect to Matter. Then copy the Matter pairing code. Next, open the smart home system on your mobile device where you want to add the DREO fan as a new Matter device. In my case, I'll be adding it to Home Assistant. Use the Matter pairing code copied from the DREO app to complete the setup. And that's it. The fan is now added and ready to use. Now let's add the DREO Air Circulator to Amazon Alexa. Since it is already connected to Home Assistant via Matter, I need to share the Matter code from Home Assistant in order to add it to another system. Simply go to the system managing the Matter connection for your DREO device, find the fan, and choose to share the device. Copy the new pairing code, and use it in the system where you want to add the fan. In my case, that is Alexa. And here we have it. I now have the same fan added twice. The first one through the DREO skill, and the second one as a Matter device. Normally, one of them should be removed, but my goal here was simply to test whether Matter works, and it does. Chapter 7. Review. From the moment you take it out of the box, the fan makes a strong first impression. The build quality feels solid, and the plastic construction feels durable and well-made. Assembly is quick and simple, and switching between the pedestal and desk versions is just as easy. In pedestal mode, the height is adjustable, giving you more flexibility depending on where you want to place it. On the back of the fan head, there is a built-in handle which makes moving it around much easier. The touch control panel is located on top of the fan head and includes buttons for power, settings adjustment, operating modes, timer, horizontal and vertical oscillation, and turbo mode. In the center of the fan head, there is a circular digital LED display that shows all the key information. The main section displays the current fan speed and, while changing settings, shows the value being adjusted. The smaller icons on the left represent the different operating modes, while the icons on the right display mute status, vertical and horizontal oscillation, and the timer. The Wi-Fi connection indicator is positioned in the center, just above the main display section. The device also supports Matter over Wi-Fi, making it possible to integrate it with most smart home ecosystems. The fan offers multiple ways to control it: touch controls on the device, remote control, the DREO mobile app, voice control, and smart home systems. One particularly interesting feature is the remote control's ability to adjust the fan's movement both horizontally and vertically. Simply hold the motion control button and gently move the remote in the direction you want the fan to oscillate. This is the world's first motion sync 3D airflow control. Unlike a standard fan, this is a true air circulator designed for year-round use. In winter, it can help distribute warm air from your heaters more efficiently. In summer, it works alongside your air conditioner to circulate cool air and improve overall cooling. During spring or autumn, it can also be used on its own with an open window to keep indoor air feeling fresh and well ventilated. Let's see how it compares to another popular fan. Chapter 8. DREO versus Dyson. On the right side, we have the DREO TurboPoly Fan 765S, and on the left side, the Dyson AM07 bladeless tower fan. In this comparison, I won't be focusing on the similarities, only on the key differences between the two. Let's start with the price. The DREO comes in at around £170, while the Dyson costs around £350. When it comes to control options, the DREO offers multiple control methods, which we already covered in the previous chapter. The Dyson, on the other hand, relies mainly on the remote control, with only limited controls available on the device itself. In terms of movement, the DREO offers 150 degrees horizontal and 100 degrees vertical oscillation, while the Dyson provides only 70 degrees horizontal oscillation. Another big difference is flexibility. The DREO can be converted into a desk fan, while the Dyson is fixed as a tower fan and cannot be reconfigured. To compare the airflow power, I used a simple candle test. First, the Dyson at maximum power. It took some time, but eventually the airflow was strong enough to put out the candle flame. Now it's the DREO's turn. Again, at full power, the result was much faster. The flame disappeared almost instantly. Chapter 9. Conclusion. After spending some time testing the DREO TurboPoly Fan 765S, I have to say it left a very positive impression. The only area that could be improved is the height adjustment design. What stands out the most is the airflow performance. This is not just a fan for blowing air in one direction. It is a true air circulator designed to move air efficiently throughout the entire room. And now, with the latest firmware update, it also supports Matter, making it even more appealing for smart home users. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable air circulator that can be used all year round and fits well into a modern smart home, the DREO TurboPoly Fan 765S is definitely worth considering and can easily become part of your smart home setup. Chapter 10. Thank you. And that's it for my review of the DREO TurboPoly Fan 765S. Before you leave, I'd love to know what you think. Is a high-performance fan like this something you would consider for your home? Also, I'm curious about your smart home setup. Would you connect a fan like this to your ecosystem and automation routines? Or would you mainly use the buttons and remote control? Let me know in the comments. I always enjoy reading your feedback and seeing how you use these devices in real life. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like. It really helps support the channel. And if you're interested in smart home gadgets, practical automation ideas, and honest product reviews, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. A big thank you to DREO for providing the TurboPoly Fan 765S for testing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart. Stay comfortable. And keep the air moving.